Insect pests of jasmine. First is bardworm, Hendicasis duplifacialis, Pyrostidi lepidoptera. Birdworm, Hendicasis duplifacialis, Pyrostidi lepidoptera. Larva, greenish in color, have black head, pale body hairs. Adult is moth, small, black in color, have black wavy lines on hind wings and abdomen. Birdworm, Hendicasis duplifacialis, Pyrostidi lepidoptera. Damage symptoms by caterpillar: bores or make hole on the flower bud, feeds in inner content of the flower bud. Larva attacks 2 to 3 buds, eats the petals. Larva attack 2 to 3 buds and eats the petals. Caterpillar and larva. Management practices: cultural control, collect and destroy buds with larva, proper pruning, maintain hygienic condition of the bushes. Biological control, use light trap and to attract and kill the moths. Which type of trap is used to kill the birdworm or Hendicasis duplifacialis of jasmine? Light traps. Chemical control, spray NSK, neem seed kernel extract at the rate 5% or malathion 50 emulsifiable concentrate at the rate 2 ml per liter. Name is second is leaf waveworm. Scientific name is Mucini geometralis. Family is Pyrostidi, order is Lepidoptera. Leaf waveworm, Nocini geometralis, family is Pyrostidi, order is Lepidoptera. Caterpillars and adults. Caterpillars are green in color, thin hairs are developed from the dark warts. Adults are moth, size is medium, color of wings light brownish in color, wings have white spots on it. So caterpillars are green in color, thin hairs are developed from the dark warts. Adults are moth, size is medium, color of wings is light brownish, wings have white spots on it. Damage symptoms by caterpillar: waves the leaves and branches, skeletonizes the leaves, scraping away of parenchymatous tissues from the leaves. Management practices same as birdworm. Name: the third type of insect pest of jasmine is gallery worm. Scientific name is Elasmopalus jasminophagus. Family is Phycetidae, order is Lepidoptera. Gallery worm, Elasmopalus jasminophagus, Phycetidae Lepidoptera. Caterpillar is green in color, color of head is red, lateral brown streaks on the body. Adults are small, dark grey in color. So name is gallery worm. Scientific name is Elasmopalus jasminophagus, family is Phycetidae, order is Lepidoptera. Damage symptoms by caterpillars: caterpillars make tunnels outside of the buds. Tunnels are filled with silk and excreta. Management practices same as birdworm. Name is a fourth type of insect pest of jasmine is leaf roller. Scientific name is Glyphodes unionalis. Family is Pyrostidi, order is Lepidoptera. Leaf roller, Glyphodes unionalis, family is Pyrostidi, order Lepidoptera. Caterpillar are green in color, adults are moth, white in color, have brown colored lines along the coastal margins of the forewings. Damage symptoms by caterpillars: caterpillars roll leaves and feed on them. Management practices same as birdworm. So leaf roller of jasmine, Glyphodes unionalis, Pyrostidi Lepidoptera. Leaf worm, Glyphodes unionalis. Fifth type of insect pest of jasmine is jasmine eriophyte mite. Scientific name is Acaria jasmini. Family is Ureophydae. Order is Acarina. Jasmine eriophyte mite is Acaria jasmini, Ureophydae, and order is Acarina. What is the order of jasmine eriophyte mite? Acarina. Female jasmine eriophyte mite shape is cylindrical, vermiform, have 2 pairs of legs. Females shape cylindrical, vermiform. Which type of form? Vermiform, have 2 pairs of legs. Jasmine eriophyte mite is mainly found in Mullai jasmine. So which type of insect pest is mainly found in Mullai type of jasmine flowers? Jasmine eriophyte mite is mainly found in Mullai jasmine. Or which type of jasmine? Mullai jasmine. Damage symptoms: stunted plant growth, flower production is also affected. Might produce erinum or hairy outgrowth on the surface of leaves, tender shoots and flower buds. So erinum is produced in which type of erinum or hairy outgrowth is produced by which type of insect pest of jasmine? Jasmine eriophyte mite. Management practices: cultural control, collect and destroy or remove the affected plant parts. Chemical control, spray dicophol 18.5 EC at the rate 3 ml per liter. Wettable sulfur 50 EC at the rate 5 gram per liter. Sixth type of insect pest of jasmine is red spider mite. Scientific name is Tetranychus cinnabarinus. Family is Tetranicidae. Order is Acarina. So the red spider mite, also the order of red spider mite is Acarina. So red spider mite, Tetranicus cinnabarinus, family is Tetranicidae, order is Acarina. Eggs are whitish in color, shape is spherical. Eggs are laid on the ventral surface of leaves. Nymphs and adults are red in color. Jasmine, red spider mite, Tetranicus cinnabarinus, Tetramycidae, Acarina. Damage symptoms, both nymph and adults feed on lower or under surface of leaves. On which part of leaves? Lower or under surface. Leaves are covered with silken webs. Yellow spots appear on the upper leaf surface. Leaves turn reddish in color. Affected leaves finally wither away. Plant growth and flower production are also adversely affected. Management practices same as jasmine eriophyte mite. Management practices same as jasmine eriophyte mite. Seventh type of insect pest of jasmine is stinged bug. Scientific name is Corythoma ayari. Seventh type of insect pest of jasmine is stinged bug, Corythoma ayari. Jasmine stinged bug is mainly found in Jasminum sambac. So we have already known that Jasminum eriophyte mite is found mainly in Mullai jasmine, and Jasminum stinged bug is mainly found in Jasminum sambac. Corythoma ayari. Adults have whitish lace wings. So whitish lace wings are found in which type of insect pest of jasmine? Jasmine stinged bug, whitish lace wings. Damage symptoms, both nymph and adults suck sap from the leaves. Infested leaves turn yellow and leaves finally dry up and drop. Management practices, cultural control, collect and destroy infected leaves along with all the life stages of insects. Chemical control, spray NSK neem seed kernel extract at the rate 5% or dimethoate 30 EC at the rate 2 ml per liter or methyl dimetone 25 EC at the rate 2 ml per liter. Eighth type of insect pest of jasmine is jasmine white fly. Scientific name is Dialurodes carcaldi. Jasmine white fly, Dialurodes carcaldi. Damage symptoms, both nymphs and adults suck the sap from lower or under surface of leaves. Infested leaves turn yellow in color. So eighth type of insect pest of jasmine is jasmine white fly, Dialurodes carcaldi. Management practices same as stinged bug. Ninth type of insect pest of jasmine is jasmine bug, Antestia cruciata, Pentatomidi hemiptera. Jasmine bug is Antestia cruciata, Pentatomidi and hemiptera. Antestia cruciata, Pentatomidi, hemiptera. Jasmine bug. Nymphs are dark. Color is dark brownish black. Shape is round. Color is dark brown. Adult color is dark brown. Shape is shield. Have orange and white markings on the wings. Nymphs color dark brownish black. Shape is round. Damage symptoms, both nymphs and adults suck the sap from tender shoots and buds. Prevents flower formation. Management practices, chemical control, spray monocrotophos at the rate 2 ml per liter. Monocrotophos. Jasmine bug, Antestia cruciata, Pentatomidi hemiptera. 10th type of insect pest of jasmine is flower thrips, Thrips orientalis. Nymphs color is yellow, adults color is black. Damage symptoms, both nymphs and adults attack jasmine flowers. Brown streaks are found on the flower petals. Management practices, chemical control, spray NSK at the rate 5% or dimethoate 30 EC at the rate 2 ml per liter or methyl dimetone 25 EC at the rate 2 ml per liter. So jasmine flower thrips is the Thrips orientalis.